we are back. Like I said, I got I won 3 set. He did. I get. What did they get? $100. I got this set. He took me to Barnes Noble. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna Walmart and get 2 more. But now, from that, I want just leave it though. Just add to my collection. Be happy. Well, be happy what? Because this thing I won. So my plan was to get this yet. My plan, and boom. Oh, and my plan got didn't work. Blackfire. That don't count. That don't count anymore. My $100 that count anymore. Oops. I'm gonna build it. I'm gonna build a movie in school. I'm on my phone. Okay. Hello guys. Hello. Are they going? Good. Very good. How my phone move? I'm on TikTok. Oh, one. Okay. Okay.
Tag someone ugly.
Luigi. What? You ugly. You ugly. You. You ugly. Eating. This is my plan. Okay, I didn't listen plan, but I did by accident. Now you owe me. Okay. Follow. On YouTube, okay. Wait. Okay, faster. Wait. Wait. Yes. Wait. English. Oh no. It's not. Okay, yes, 1 hour. Wait.
Careful, I had to sell a lot of books to get that.
Yes.
Why did you need to bring a tanning bed to a tropical island?
Yes.
For tanning.
English. Yes. Good. Yeah, English. My first show. I'm gonna with my Lego. Okay. When you do that, okay. Put over here. Up on a project. Okay, can you help me build it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What happened? Nothing. Nothing. Oh my god. Wait, guess what? What? We all agree. Oh my god. What? Nothing. Totally nothing. Okay. What the? Ouch. What happened? I don't know. Guess what? What? You're ugly. Come on, can you help me? What? Help you with what? I shut, please. Okay. What? I don't know. Behind his face. Sure. Make for me. Fox Camille. Yes. Want some cookies? Me love cookies. Okay, let's get cookies.